Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce stress with Headspace, complete guide. Start by identifying the sources of your stress. Take a few moments to sit in a quiet space. Close your eyes to help eliminate distractions. Breathe deeply and focus your mind. Once you're relaxed, open the Headspace app on your device. If you're new to Headspace, consider creating an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Explore the various options available in the app. Navigate to the meditation section. Browse through the different courses tailored for stress relief. Select a course that resonates with your current needs. Before starting a session, take a moment to set your intention. Begin the session by following the guided instructions. Allow yourself to fully engage with the meditation. Remember to focus on your breath throughout the practice. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back. After the session, take a minute to reflect on your feelings. Consider journaling your thoughts in the app's notes feature. Make it a habit to practice regularly, even if for just a few minutes. Explore additional features in Headspace, like sleep meditations or soundscapes. Try to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Practice being present during mundane activities, like eating or walking. Allow yourself to pause and check in with your emotions throughout the day. Share your experiences with others to gain support and insights. Be patient with yourself as you learn to manage stress. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Commit to using Headspace as a valuable tool in your stress management journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.